Hello, hello. Well, today we're gonna open this box. This is a label printer. You can use it for, your shipping labels, of course, if you have your own business. This is the easiest way and cheapest way to do it your own and not go directly to the post office. So I have this printer here that I'm gonna open. But what I love about this printer is that I can do stickers as well. I was looking for something like this because I have a printer, but I never was able to do stickers. Like I was thinking and doing like thank you stickers that, a way cheaper and easier way than just doing it with my Cricut. So I think this is the easiest way to do it. Well, we'll see. I haven't used it. I haven't opened it yet, like you guys can see. But let's open it with me and let's do something. But I really excited about making stickers with this machine because I can do both. I can do my label my shipping labels and my stickers. So let's open this box. So here's everything, our cables, everything that came in the box. This came in the box as well. This is a USB that you connected to your computer so you can install the software for your label machine. If you have a MacBook Pro or an Apple in general, you will need something like this. This is an adapter that you connect to your computer and you just plug your USB here like this, and that's it. Also, let me add that the printer came with some labels, so that's kind of cool that you don't have to really do all the investment. You can just buy this first and start trying it with this. And here is some user guide so that you can start. You can refer here how to connect the machine, how to put the paper, as well as how to do the installation in the computer. But we will jump to the computer now so we can do the installation of the software now here. If you have a Microsoft computer, you don't need an adapter like this one. This is more for Apple, so keep that in mind. So let's continue. Let's do this. So here is what we have in the driver on the USB. If you have a Microsoft, of course, you will install this one. If you have Windows, if you have a Mac like mine, it's this one. Just double click on the box, press continue, install. And close. That's it. So easy. They also include some manuals here, how to do labels. So this is really cool that they add that, so you don't have to figure it out a lot of things. Amazing. I wanted to show you guys before we continue in the computer, and I will show you guys how to do the adjustments to do the printing. I want to show you how to put the paper. I'm going to put the label first so you can see how to do it. And then I'm going to do my stickers, because the example is going to be based on the stickers, because this is really easy to do, but I'm going to show you how to do the adjustments in the computer. But first I'm going to show you how to put the paper in the machine. So it's really easy. You see this thing here, you just push it, take this paper out, close it, the stickers need to be facing up. that easy. I created this circle in Photoshop, and I export the circle as just as an image, right, as a PNG. And after that, I exported it from that image to a PDF, and this is the PDF that I created it. So you go here to the printer, and I have a Mac, an Apple computer, so your Microsoft may look a little bit different. Here you pick the printer, in here in page setup, pick your printer again, and here in paper size you will create the adjustments. Let me go back here, I did it way too fast. In paper size you go to manage custom size, and here I already created it, but I have my labels for shipping already created and my stickers already created. So if you want to create like another adjustment, you just press here the plus sign and it will show another one. Just put it, I don't know, these stickers are 2 by 2, and that's it. So easy. That's how you have to do it. Let me delete this one because I already have my stickers here, 2 by 2. I press OK, but if I already created it, this is where it's going to show in custom paper. I have my labels and my stickers, so I'm going to select stickers because that's what I'm going to print, and that's it. Let's press OK. I'm gonna do like 5 copies, and that's it. Remember, this is a thermal printer, so it's gonna be printing in black and white. So let's print. I wanted to add that I changed the background of the circle to just white. That way it's easier for the machine to identify that it's only going to print, my little logo and the letters. So I just want to add that up. Something to keep in mind, maybe you want to invest in something to hold your stickers if this is what you're going to do, stickers. That way, maybe a holder, you don't have to be holding this till, the printer finish printing. So you may want to invest in something like that, that sometimes will come with both, like to hold the labels and something to hold the stickers. I'm going to put something in the description, so you maybe want to invest in that as well. That way, you don't have to hold it. So just keep that in mind. So here are my stickers. I love it. I really do love it. It's so easy to do. Finally I have a machine that it will do my stickers. This is something simple, this is something that I wanted to put in, like, in the packages that I send. Again, this is a thermal printer, so it only prints in black pretty much. So of course it's going to be in black. You can do something more cute than this, but this is something simple I did. And again, this is only for to put in the outside of the packages that I sent from my business. This is the same way that you will print your label. You just need to have, like I show you in the computer, have the adjustments and settings for each. But it's so simple, and the quality, it's wonderful, and it's it's better than anything, and better than buying this label, like the shipping labels. If you go directly to the post office, it's gonna cost you way more if you do it in your own. I know, the first that you need to invest in the printer and all that, but it's so easy to do and cheaper. At the end, if you have your own business, this is the cheapest way to go. And I love this printer. Really is amazing, amazing, amazing. So I'm glad that I have this one, that I can do both my stickers and my shipping labels. So please, if you like this video, please share, like it, subscribe, and like always, I will see you in the next video. God bless you.